So, welcome back to living Alpujarras post-lockdown. As you can see, we've had lots and lots and lots of rain. And it's another boiling hot day. So, the next project, after I've waited 6 months for the license, and then had winter, then had lockdown, so now we're in the middle of June 2020. So the next project is to rebuild this wall here, so anyone can see that that's not right. So we're going to take it down, put some modern thermal blocks, and then replace the existing stone you see there back again. So if I click my fingers, that didn't work, but there you go. And now